I'm back. You can hear me? Testing. Seems to work. All right. So what I written here was from last week. No idea when we're supposed to have our class, but what I'll do for next week is just post, because next week is like you said, the 19. So this was for November 5th, and I gotta make my pen thicker. So last week you could reference chapter 7 and 8 in the text, and this week we're looking at chapter 9. And then all those handouts that I gave you. And then I guess if next week is an issue, I'm just going to send everyone a video on, from last year that you can watch, or last summer semester. So not to worry. All right, so I left you here and I asked you to try these problems. So I told you that I would discuss out of equilibrium portfolios or out of equilibrium assets and how they adjust to equilibrium. So let's just review the CAPM. Let's first make this fit better. All right. So regarding our capital market line, we had this relationship combining, or let's say aligning the risky assets with the risk-free one, and we want to combine them now, and that's possible along this line. So there are linear combinations here of what? Of the tangential market portfolio with the risk-free asset. Anywhere in between here and here, investors are both lending and lending risk-free, and investing in the market portfolio. But beyond this, they are short selling T-bills or borrowing to invest in the market portfolio and expanding their possibilities. So B is just an example of that. A is an example of